the mark to beat right now is all the way up to 266 and 5. 266 and 5. Set by Tatum Talbot in her Chevy truck she calls Old Brown that she says is for sale. Fans, here's one of your first ones back. This is a kind of a rare indeed, a Dodge truck here tonight that doesn't have a diesel motor in it. Most of the Dodge, which you're going to see a little bit later on, I got those diesel power plants in them. Those kids, you got to have the backup thing. Dodge out of Tremonton. Yep,